Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Boulies Nubi Office Chair. This compact chair promises comfort and functionality tailored for smaller spaces, making it a potential gem for home offices. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Boulies Nubi sports a simple, understated design that blends seamlessly into any office decor. Its compact size is ideal for tight spaces without sacrificing comfort. The chair features soft, breathable fabric that stays cool even during long work sessions. The foam padding strikes a balance between firm support and plush comfort, ensuring you stay comfortable throughout the day. One of the standout features of the Nubi is its adjustable seat depth, a rare find in compact office chairs. This allows users of different heights to customize their seating position for optimal comfort and posture. The chair also offers adjustable recline and tension, along with 2D armrests that can be adjusted up and down to suit individual preferences. Assembling the Boulies Nubi is a breeze, thanks to its straightforward design and minimal parts. The package includes clear instructions and all necessary tools, making it a quick and hassle-free setup process. Even attaching the armrests and backrest to the seat pan is simple and can be done solo in just about 15 minutes. In conclusion, the Boulies Nubi is a solid choice for anyone seeking a compact office chair that doesn't compromise on comfort and functionality. Its adjustable features cater to different body types and working preferences, while its minimalist design ensures it fits seamlessly into smaller office spaces. That wraps up our review of the Boulies Nubi Office Chair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next one.